The pump repair kit will replace your lantern's air pump. The air pump pressurizes the fuel tank to force fuel through the lantern. The pump has a rubber piston that seals against a cylinder to produce the pressurized air. Over time, the piston can harden, crack, or tear. When this happens, the pump won't pressurize the fuel tank. The kit comes with parts for both new lanterns with plastic fittings and the older lanterns with metal fittings. Installing a pump repair kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before installing the pump repair kit, be sure that you drain all of the fuel out of your lantern. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the pump. I'll place the pliers on the notches on either side, and then twist the pump. That unlocks it, and now I can pull it away from the lantern. Now I can install the new pump. The kit comes with the pump set up for the newer style lanterns with the plastic fitting. If you're using an older style lantern, you'll need to install the other parts that come with the kit. To do that, you simply remove the clip beneath the piston. Slide the piston washer off of the shaft and remove the plastic fitting. Then you would slide the metal cap onto the post, followed by the spring, and then reinstall the washer and the piston and secure it with the new clip that comes in the kit. You'll use the wire C-clip to secure the old style cap to your lantern once it's installed. As I install the pump, I'll place some oil on the piston. This helps to seal the piston against the cylinder and keep it from being damaged as it slides up and down the cylinder. Now I slide the piston into the cylinder, aligning the pump with the stem. I'll align the ears on the cap with the lantern, and then once again use my needle nose pliers to secure it. And that's all it takes to install a new pump repair kit in your lantern. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.